Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to do string methods, so sit back and enjoy the tutorial. I'll just shrink this window down here a little bit. Okay, so we're going to do some basic string methods here. So what I'm going to do is create a variable called myText equals, and then I'm going to add a string to it, something like this is a string. Okay, there we go. So we're going to do some of the most common ones here. So we're going to print the length of the string. So let's have a look here. So print, we use the len function here. myText. Okay, myText. Close that off. Just save as and run it. There we go. So it prints the length of the string, 16 there. Okay, the next one we're going to have a look at is indexing in strings. So print myText, and I want to display index 0 in this string. So there we go, index 0. So I'll just save that and run it. Okay, so index 0 here is going to be this one here. That's index 0 in this string. Okay, so we're going to print myText, and we're going to do index -1 in the string. So index -1, just save that. Index -1, run that. Okay, G. So that is index -1 in this string. Okay, I'm going to go down. I'm going to print myText. Let's start from 0, index 0, and go to index 2 on here. So we're starting from index 0 and going to position 2, index 2. Save that. Run. There we go. Index 2. There, going from 0. Okay, the next one. Okay, we're going to print myText. Okay, and just do this. Okay, this is going to print the full string. It's going to print from position 0, index 0 to the end of the string. So let's just check this out. There you go. This is a string. Okay. Now we're going to print, say, myText dot upper. Okay, so that's pretty self-explanatory. We're going to print out the text in uppercase. Let's save that there. Run. There we go. The text is printed out in uppercase. Pretty self-explanatory, that. Print, do it in upper, we can do it in lower as well. myText dot lower. Okay, so we'll just do that, save that, and run it again. So there we go. The string has been printed in lowercase. 1 second, I've got an itchy ear. Okay, that's better. So let's have a look at the next one. I'm going to go on to Okay, print my text dot title. My text dot title there. That's just going to capitalize some other words in there, so especially at the beginning of the sentence, it's going to capitalize them. So let's run that. Yep, so let's capitalize the first word, capitalize this word, capitalize this word, and capitalize this word. Okay, and we're going to do print my text dot find. So we're going to look for something in the string. So I'm going to, oops, that's wrong. Dot find. So we're going to look for something in the string. So I'm going to look for this word is in the string. Okay, so let's just save that. I'm going to print that. Okay, so it's found it at word 2 there, so it's found it here. Okay, and what we're going to do now is we are going to replace a word in there. So print my text dot replace. So we're going to replace a word. Okay, so I'm going to replace this word here, so I'm going to replace that, and I'm just going to replace it with, let's say, 1. Okay, so save that and run that. So there you go. Instead of this is a string, we've got this is one string. So there you go, everybody. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie, and I'll catch you in another video, and remember to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.